In this video, I will show you how to edit the header in Hostinger Builder. I am now inside my website builder. First, you need to click on the header section, then click on Edit Header. As you can see, you can edit the line spacing. You can also edit the height of the header section. You can play with the header elements placement. I want the logo to be centered, just like that. And from elements, you can show or hide the logo, social icons, and also an easy to see button. I recommend to use this type of buttons in order to redirect your blog or website visitors to the most important page of your blog. It can be a newsletter when you catch your visitors' first name and last name. It can be a shop, it can be a product, a digital product that you sell. I want to keep the social icons showing. And from the logo tab, you can edit the width of the logo and also replace your logo with another photo from your computer, for example. If you want to edit the style of your logo, social icons, or the button, you can select the element from this list, for example, the logo. You can make the header transparent. You can also change the header text font or the text color. As you can see now, my menu or my navigation is text color is changed. I will keep it in black. Let's say I want to edit the button. Select it first. You can call it newsletter, for example. Link it to a page. You can select a page, a web address, or a section, or even an email, phone number, or file download, which is great. Select your page. For example, I want to link it to this page. To open in the same tab, you can edit the color, the text font. I want it to be black. Now the text size, I want to make it bigger. Let's say I want to edit the social icons, for example. Here you can edit your social links, also the placement of the social icons, or you can even delete some. And this is how to edit your header in Hostinger Builder. Don't forget to give this video a like and see you in the next one.